Hi, good to see you again in the series of what to do. Now this is something we always get, that is basically we always need to remind our kids to do their work. They are basically a push start rather than a self-starter. So what do we do? Now this is something that you need to understand. I used to be in a situation where whenever I come back from work, when I see my kids watching TV, the first thing that I ask is, have you done your homework? And this has been going on repeatedly. So in a day, I have these spurts of minor eruption that is taking place. And this is not exciting for our relationship. Obviously, the kids are not very happy whenever I start picking on them. Have you done your homework? Have you done your revision? Have you done this? Have you not done that? All that stuff. So what we did after understanding this P.D.C.A concept, which is written in this book called How to Be a Supercharged Family, you learn certain techniques. So I'm going to just briefly tell you. Number one, you need to sit with your kids and plan what is their goal. After that, you need to teach them how they need to pay attention in their classroom. P stands for plan, D is for do. All they have to do when the teacher is teaching, just pay attention. In a flick of a finger, you get 65 frames getting into your subconscious mind. So you will be able to get a lot of information as a kid when you are just being in the class and paying attention. Not just running to toilet with your friends and going out of the class for no reason, then you're not in the class to pay attention, so no seeds that's going in. So that is D, do. After that is C, you need to care. Now you have planted these seeds need to be nurtured, you need to care. Planting is easy, nurturing takes time. So what you need to do is start doing revision. You need to understand most of the questions that's coming out in the exams are basically repetitive. So it will start showing up if it's in your memory. So you need to enforce your memory by doing a lot of revisions, by doing a lot of homework. Then finally is act. When you go to the exam hall, go and show up. Whenever you are sitting in your room doing a revision, let this memory to overflow and start answering the question. So you need to act on it so that you get amazing results. So P.D.C.A, plan, do, care, act, which is written in this book called How to Be a Supercharged Family. There's also an amazing app called My Huddle app where you guys can use it to help your kids to learn better. And this will also help you not to be always on their back asking, have you done this? Have you done that? Kind of things. So by using these tools and techniques, rather than me erupting every now and then, Debbie and I, that's my wife and I, have actually set every Sunday we meet up with them for 30 minutes for them to come and present their revision status on how many revisions they have done, what are their marks, and then we'll go through some of their data, and they will also tell us what are the things that they're going to do next week, and then they will also talk to us about some of the roadblocks or some of the challenges they are facing, like they're running out of exercise book. Mom, Dad, I need help for you to go and get more books for me so that we can get more revision done. So within half an hour, we get a lot of things done with the kids and let them be for the whole 1 week, whatever they want to do, and we catch up every Sunday for 30 minutes to review and course correct. This is an amazing habit that you can build. We've been doing it for the past 14 years, so much so our kids have got amazing results in the university lives. They're all gold medalists. Plus, this behavior that we have inculcated through these tools and techniques, it's also showing up itself in their professional life. So it's a good habit to build. Help your kids to have a wonderful habit and wish you all the best. Thank you.